So just because you're using WeWeb does not mean that you don't have advanced SEO capabilities right in front of you, because a weakness that WeWeb has is because it uses Vue. Vue is a framework that runs client-side JavaScript. You have a limit of having 3,000 statically, dynamically generated static pages. So you can connect WeWeb with your Xano database, with your Supabase, with your Firebase, and load dynamic data into static generated pages like Webflow CMS. But as of right now, there is a limit of having this be available for up to 3,000 pages. If you want to have 500,000 dynamic pages, you may want to benefit from Nordcraft's server-side rendering, which is essentially building the page as the user loads it. Of course, it can add some latency. The backend is not optimized for it. This is why we're saying, hey, you need to have optimized APIs when you use Nordcraft, because if you have a long API request in WeWeb to load data, it's not that crucial because the data will just come in at a delayed time, where in Nordcraft, your page will load slower if it's a server-side rendered API, right? So be mindful that server-side rendering can be great for SEO, but it can also make your site loading way, way, way slower. So keep that in mind if your backend is not optimized for that. So in WeWeb, if you are building a marketplace, when I am building a marketplace, I want to have the ability to possibly go above 3,000 pages, right? And it seems like you can't do that. There's actually a way how you can do that. And I know people from the state change community, which Ray is amazing. If you're looking at that and you need help with WeWeb, take a look at statechange.ai. He has some great advice and help that he shares through there. But they have been setting something up called pre-render. They've been helping people set that up on there. And it gets your WeWeb application crawled and indexed by Google.